more and more with each out breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Feel all the tensions release with each breath. Now bring your awareness to your physical body. Notice if there are any areas where you're holding stress, any discomfort, any pain. Guide your breath to that area. Give it that extra love that it needs. And feel your entire body soften and let go with each exhale. Releasing more and more tension, relaxing more and more, allowing your body to sink into the surface below. On the next out breath, just breathe and relax. Bringing your awareness now to your heart center, the middle of your chest. Imagine a warm, glowing light radiating